We are in the center of Vienna. This is the Stephansdom, and I'm looking to get into this parking garage. Yeah, that's my car right here. They take your car and just put it somewhere. But it's really centered. It's like in the middle of Vienna. So, first we're going to eat something and then we have a shoot. Bounce. Shit! I just remembered that I forgot in the car my scarf, which I needed for the shoot. We're going to Miznon, one of our favorite restaurants in Vienna. That's ratatouille, Irina's favorite. Very good food. We love Miznon. Now we're going to shoot 2 pictures for Bugaboo. This suitcase. We are shooting in a city center, and we need 1 picture for me. We need 1 picture for me and 1 picture for Irina. It's 3 o'clock and the light should be perfect now.
You got?
Also forgot my sunglasses in the car. Okay, that is the spot right here. So first picture we're gonna do here. This place is a very cool place to take pictures, as you can see. Facciamo?
The photo shoot today was a disaster.
Worst photo shoot in the history of... So, this is the car, and that's it.
The photo shoot didn't go that well. It was windy and rainy and cold and everything. I don't even have a picture. He had some, but he's not that happy. But the nice thing is, first, that we're healthy, of course, we're together. It's everything okay. We live in a peaceful country. It was sunny when we woke up. We played with Mango and Yellow. It was there, so cute. And then we had like a great lunch at one of our favorite street food places. While I was taking pictures of Ranesh, a follower of mine, she said hi and we took a picture together.
Fan moment.
And that made me really happy. The followers take off.
Bad days are also part of the daily life, but tomorrow we'll do it again.
Because our shooting didn't turn out that good today, I bought this. Shit happens, everyone.
I know you're weary and I've worn you out, but you can rest your mind here and take your trainers off, and I apologize. I should have approached this differently. We said we'd be honest with each other, so I guess you make me feel like the unrequited lover. I don't want to follow you around until you find the truth, but I'd rather not kiss every stranger until I find you. Can't you just appear in my hands and I'll carry you instead? There's planets in my palms if you get bored of my skin. I mean, you change with the moon. Habitual rituals. Your smile in that light is my only residual. The first time we met, did you go home and think of me too? Our silence settles strangely now, and self-consciousness is heavy. I know. People overthink things, women wreak havoc, men implode. But don't trouble yourself with my opinions. Just remember me in the morning and carry me home.
Hello!
Hello!
Ready to start the shooting day?
Yes.
So today we have a full day. We're starting the shoot here, right here, at this place. Do you know this place? You should know this place by now if you're watching our vlogs. So we're starting here at Hundertwasserhaus. After that we'll probably go to the city center and have a different shoot there, change outfits and all that. So today full day of work. It's also a quite beautiful day, although the wind is picking up, so vamos?
Yeah, this is for Pandora. The shooting is for Pandora.
I remember Disneyland with Pandora. Let's cue some Disneyland. Welcome to Disneyland, girl. This is for Arena because she gets cold sitting on pavement and stuff. So the guys from the coffee shop, they gave us this blanket. Thank you. So let me show you something. Remember this? Christmas Eve. Let's cue that. So I think we're gonna end the shoot here, going to the next location in the city center, Kleines Café. So second location, ready to go? And the third angle. By the way, I got a new lens, zoom lens. That is a Tamron 28 to 300. It's a really long zoom. Hey, ready? Finally, the whole place is empty of people, and now we can do that shot. Okay, so I think we're gonna take the last angle, and after that we should. Oh, ready? Ready. Okay, ready. Let's go. Hey, girl.
Hey.
You cold?
I'm so cold. I'm wearing a skirt again. We are going to the Palm House. There are two in
Which
Vienna.
is right there.
Exactly.
Photo shoot is going very good. The location is great. Irina has a great outfit. And the suitcase really matches the surroundings. And we love this. If you want to visit this place, it's called Palmen House. It's in Schönbrunn Palace, in the Schönbrunn Gardens. And the entrance is €6. Check it out.
Apenas o que Deus me amou, que inventador, meu amor, eu posso apenas o que Deus me amou, que inventador.
Oh, how beautiful this place is. We love it. So, it's a wrap.
It is a wrap. I felt like we were in the jungle, the amazing jungle. Sing.
Good photo shoot day. Last time we didn't make it, but this time.
Yes. And if you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe. In the jungle, amazing jungle.
Are we